Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add skyblocks to your game. So let's get into the video right now. So what a skyblocks is it basically is a material that changes your sky look basically. So it can basically turn the colors different and stuff. As you can see, I was testing this earlier right here. I was testing it. Okay guys, here is voiceover Aryan again. So this voice will be delayed a bit, but that is all good. At least you guys can understand what I'm saying. So we're just gonna let our game bake right now. So the skyblocks box, basically all it does is it changes the sky look. Look, like, we're gonna delete it for now because that was an example as you saw by real Aryan. This is voiceover Aryan. We're just gonna make our own skybox now. So we're gonna hit on right click, create material. Now we're gonna rename it to skybox. We're gonna do that. And once we are done, we should soon. And guys, no, this is not how you spell skybox. It is, oh my god. Okay, I am about to be renaming my thing. Okay, just delete it guys. And now you're gonna go to do the same thing, create, and then go down to material. Then you're gonna name it SKYBOX. So not blocks, box. It's sky box because there's a sky in the sky. There is obviously a box, and you're gonna go into it and hit on the shader, and you're gonna go into skybox procedural. You're gonna hit on that. Then you're gonna change. You're gonna see like there's some stuff on the side, like some settings and stuff. We'll get to that in a moment. But the reason it's called skybox is because of the sky is a box in Unity, obviously. So yeah. But anyway, let's let our game bake. Okay, so now I'm gonna change probably the sky tint to a little bluish something, like a good blue, like maybe a cyan or something. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, that looks really beautiful actually. So I'm gonna click on that, and obviously you can drag it in. So you gotta drag it in obviously, but mine's already dragged in, as you can see. Let's just let that bake. 3, 2, 1, done. Okay. Now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna change like the settings. But one thing I want to get to is you want to go on your sample scene, click on Directional Light, and you'll see this, and you want to change like the thingy to the little arrows, and you want to, like, if you actually, it's a really cool thing, I found it out. If you turn it, your sky actually gets darker and lighter. It's really cool. Unity actually made this feature. It is insane. Like, you guys should definitely try and use it. It is really cool. Like, I'm telling you guys, really cool. Like, you should definitely use this if you want like a light sky or a dark sky. I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep it so where it was, like over there or something. So yeah, that's enough of that now. But yeah, that's basically that. But anyway, now let's customize our skybox. Or let's first let it bake. Otherwise, it will be very laggy for us, and it wouldn't be very cool and good. So yeah, okay. So obviously, it says sun size. That is really annoying because, in my opinion, you can make the sun extra big and it looks like the sun. It looks like you're on Mercury. Like, it doesn't even look cool. If you put simple like I just did in the video, that basically lowers down the sun size no matter if it's smaller or bigger. If you put it on high quality, it gets a bit bigger. Like it times it the sun size by 2. But look, in a sec I'll put it on higher quality, it'll be bigger. But if you put it on simple, it times it, like it divides it by itself down once. So yeah, it's really cool. Make sure to put it on simple. In my opinion, it's a way better. And you can change like the atmosphere thickness. So if you're having like some sort of really crazy dangerous event and there's a desert that's gonna get like, I don't know, like that's getting really hot, you could do that, for example. Change the atmosphere thickness. Or you're just having a really cold night, you could have that or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it on the normal ones. I'm just gonna go put it on there. That looks really beautiful. You have the green horizon as well. That looks really cool. Like you have all the layers of color. That looks really insane. Pretty cool. But yeah, let's just let it bake, and that is basically it for today's video. So yeah, very short video in today's video, not too long. But in the next video, we're going to be going to the asset store. I already said that in the last video. Go watch that. But anyway, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, save your game first. This is going to be a bit delayed, but save your game. But anyway, guys, make sure this is the end of the video. So make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share this. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.